people consider that the coaching it is only for the very specific group of people. First one, that they don't have enough capacities to deal with the challenging change situation on their own. And second one, the lonely one, they have nobody probably to talk with. And those people, the one which they consider the coaching is only trendy, kind of fluffy word, they want to perceive themselves as strong and capable enough to deal with any challenge on their own. Probably they are right. With inner motivation and power, people can overcome a lot of obstacles. The point is the time it takes, the stress it generates, the money it costs end of the day. And also it has negative impact on our relation, either in the work environment or in the private one, or on the both. And in the meantime, the life satisfaction and the work satisfaction decrease, not slowly but surely, but quickly and surely. And then to be back again from this stage and be again productive and happy and creative, it costs time and effort. The investment in the individual coaching program or even one coaching session will bring your desirable results much quicker, with less stress and with less negative vibes. It will save or even improve your relationship and definitively will improve your resilience. You might think, I don't need a coach for my change because I'm not the only one. I have family and friends and they can support me with any this challenging change situation. First, congratulations! Lucky you! Definitively your friends and family are your big assets. They can support you in this kind of challenging moment with their love, compassion and presence. And still, with all the love and with their all support, they might be not able to guide you to find the best solution. Why so? Firstly, because they might be involved partially or even more than partially in the situation. And it might impact to find the best solution for the challenge. Secondly, they might not have requested skills and tools to support you how to find this best solution. Basically, they have different role to play in your life. My role as your coach, your positive change coach, it will be to work together with you to get the best solution for your question. I'm 100% convinced that this investment of your time and money is worth it. Let's try out your first session with me. Attention! The first 30 minutes, they are on me without obligation. Let's set up an introduction call via booking system on aldonablondin.com. Aldona Blondin, your positive change coach.